Pass to number 11. Umatras, sumalit ang umatake, natapikan.
Para sa likod.
Oops! Ay, nagmamadali.
Crossover lumusot.
No. Nagkatapikan, number 11.
Spins.
Fires. That move. Back to you. Pass inside.
At the free throw area. Number 80 spins.
Drives. Fires. Foul and the bucket. Hello mga idol, nandito tayo ngayon sa Batang Pinoy Basketball League 2024 para sa laban ng Region 4A versus NCR North. And here you go, jump ball. And ball possession for Region 4A. Stop, pull up jumper. Bucket for two, pairs block. Ball is stolen. Fires off the window. Bucket. Tie game tayo mga idol. And for the inbound, Team NCR. Pass to number 22. Number 1 here for Team NCR. Stop, pass on the inside. Nagkatulakan. Pass inside. No look pass yun. Pasok yan para kay number 29. Baseball pass. Naagawan. And the long pass here. Corner. Launches on 3. Bang! NCR North. And at the middle. Drives number 8. Pass on the inside. Floor shot. Too strong. Rebound number 8. Kicks out. Launches corner 3. Off target. Rebound mapupunta kay number 44. Pass break all alone and easy basket. For the inbound here. Bounce pass number 1. Pinabitin pa. Nagkap. And number 29 here at the middle. The bounce pass. And number 29. Setting the play number 1 here. Region NCR North. And on the corner. Kakaldag. Pinasa sa gitna. Natapikan na recover fires. Bucket for 2. And here's NCR North. Number 26. Pass to the middle. Holding the ball. Number 28. Pass back. Number 26. Nocom. Holding the ball. One bounce. Middle. Spins. Fakes. Little spin. Fade away. Open touches all around the... For the inbound. Bounce pass to the corner. Pass it back. Attacks. Fires off the window. Money. And number 26 here. Setting the play. Bounce pass to the middle. Number 28. Attacks. Lays up. Oh, pasok yan ngayon. And 13. Long pass. 2 on 3. Dumiretso off the window. Basket and 1. And here's Region 4A. Pumaldag. Natapikan na recover. Natapik pa rin. Naagaw. And here's Region 4A. Number 9 zumigzag. Crossover his spin move. Fires off the glass. Basket and ball possession. Region 4A naagawan. And 2 on 2. Fires off the glass. Basket and 1. CR North. Number 26. Side step. Nabitawan ng bola. Na-recover. Pasok yan. Number 13. Drives. Lays, hook shot, no good, rebound, put back shot off the window, money. And here's 26 for NCR North. Number 3, bounce pass to the middle, number 23 at the middle. And drive, side step, full up to, pasok yan, number 22. Number 22 dito, nice stops. Pinasa kay number 26. 26 ngayon. 26, tuloy-tuloy, floater shot, bucket for 2. For the inbound here, looking for the receiver. Natapikan mula sa likod. Na-recover number 4. And here's Uno. 7. Number 7, drive, side step, pass on the inside using the window, money. 2. Pass to the middle, number 23. Spin move. Natapikan. And nakuha pa rin. Uy, gandang pasa nun. Pass. Uy. And number 13, 13, pass inside. Number 4, libreng-libre, easy bucket. And Atiga, number 1, passes to the middle. Pass inside at the free throw area. Number 80 spins, drives, fires, foul, and the bucket. And pass there. Behind the back dribble, stolen. Number 24. Naagaw din pabalik. Kicks out. Sa 3. Bang! And here's Region 4A, number 11. Attacks in the middle. Fires. Bucket for 2. Number 16 side step. Fires off the window. Manny. And a long pass here. Number 2. Espirito. Spins. Bounce pass inside. Poposte. Kinaldagan. Reverse layup. Bucket for 2. Number 8. And a long pass here. Nagkatapi ka. Number 11. Spins. Fires. That move. Back to number 2. Espirito. Stops. Pass on the inside. Kicks out. And here's Espirito. Bounce pass to number 1. Naagawan dito. And chest pass, 2-on-1 ngayon. Bounce pass to the middle, 3-on-2. So palpa lang inabot. And the number 2 Espirito. Bounce pass inside. Corner pass. Fires. Pinabitin pa. Pasok na pasok. And down to 6 ang Kalamangan mga idol. Number 31 here. Floater shot. Bucket is good. And here's number 12 to number 23. Setting the play. He stops looking for the receiver. At Sumalida umatake. Plays up. Bucket is good. And for the inbound, Batak. Bounce pass. And pass on the inside, Batak. Natapikan. At here you go. Region 4A number 12. Cross pass. Stop. Launches on 3. Bang! Trip. And here's Region 4A. Number 23. Tuloy-tuloy. Yes, sir. Pasok yan. 5-point lead. Para sa NCR North. Stop. Pull-up jumper corner. Bucket for 2. Back to 7. Ball possession. Region 4A number 16. Na-recover. And bounce pass. Score 3. Bang! 3 po. And the backdoor inbound. Bounce pass. Sakto yung pasa. Sakto yung tira. And here's NCR North number 26. Stop. Down to tong Kalamangan mga idol. And number 23 to number 2 at the middle. Attacks, stop, pull-up jumper, won't go. And rebound is spin move, floater shot, bucket for 2. Back to 4 lead. And it's number 11. Leso palpa lang inabot. Nakakuha ni number 23. And here's NCR North. Nakalibre sa 3, launch. Bang! Done! 740 score natin mga idol. Number 44 here. Didiskarte. Aatake mula sa gitna. Pinabitin. Pasok yan. Batak for the inbound. Pass to number 1. Pass to number 2. He's stolen. And here's number 11. Diretso lays up. Bucket for 2. Setting the play for NCR North. Bounce pass to number 28. Pass to the middle. Pull up jumper. Off target. And rebound by number 2. Bounce pass. Batak. Further shot. No good. Looking for the receiver. To number 1 Atiga. Atiga between the legs dribble. Sharing the play. Discarding malupit. Stop. Cross pass. Launches long 3. Off the mark. Rebound Atiga. Bumalik. Pull up jumper. And bucket for 2. At baseball pass here, number 11, binitbit and easy bucket. And the baseball pass here, naagawan. And pass to number 2, Espirito fakes. Pass to the middle, pull-up jumper, na good. At nakuha dito ng Region 4A, nagmamadali, binitin, lays, bucket for 2. And down to 2 points ang Kalamangan. And ball is stolen. A chance to tie the game. And straight pass to the middle. Tie game. And here's Atiga. Pass to number 8. And kakaldag dito. Pass to number 22. Shot clock running down to 10. Bounce pass. Down to 6. Pass on the inside na agawan. And a chance to lead the game. Number 11. Tuloy-tuloy for the lead. Bucket and 1. Atiga. Atiga behind the back. Dribble. Stop. Pass to the middle. Drives. Spins. Pass to the middle. Corner pass. Middle pass. Fires on 3. Bang! Tie game. And iniwan number 11. Chance to lead the game again. Fire. Basket and 1. Fourth quarter action here. Atiga. Atiga, bounce pass to the corner, fires, no good. And rebound, pull up, pass inside for the tie. Tie game! Atiga to number 28 here, bounce pass inside. Setting the play, number 22. Shot clock down to 10. And rush, stop. Not agawan. And here you go. Region 4A. Bounce pass. Nauna Lays for the lead. And Atiga here. And stops. Pass on the middle. Fires. Oh, tie game again. Atiga. Ibababa ang bola. Pass inside. Libreng-libre. Bucket for 2. Door inbound here. Pass to number 15. Pull-up jumper off the window. Money. And tie game tayo mga idol. Number 26 here. For NCR, Espiritu holds the ball. Espiritu, atake mula sa gilid. Bounce pass to the middle, libre, wala. And long pass. Number 11. Number 44. Bounce pass. Drives to number 12. Attack sa gitna na libre of the window for the lead. And here's NCR North. Pass to the corner. Bumanga. Tumira. Wala. And the rebound here number 26. Bounce pass. Attacks. Floater. Tie game. Baseball pass. For the lead. Lead the game. Inbound. Pass to number 23. Open sa 3. Bang! Eksakto yung pasa. 2-on-1. Dire-diretso Lays for the lead. Umatake. Corner pass again. Picks. Cross pass. Number 28. Corner. And drives. Shot clock running down to 7. Na-oop. Na libre 1 bounce. Inasinta. Pasok yan. Tie game. Baseball pass. Nauna si Idol. Bumangga pa. Fires off the glass for the lead. 67-69 score. Shot clock running down to 15. Spins. Nabat. Kicks out. Wild open for 3. Off the target. Rebound. Put back shot. Battle for the rebound again. At nakuha pa rin ng NCR. Stop. Kicks out. Number 2 is Espiritu sa gitna. Wild open for 3 again. Off the target. And again, rebound. Drives. Lays. Bucket for 2. And tie game tayo sa favorite numbers. All 69. And drives. Stop. Pull up J. Free throw area. No good. Rebound number 12. Kumaldag. Fires. Wala pa rin. And the rebound again. Create space. Pass. My foul. For the inbound here. Pass to number 11 for 3. Bang! And here's NCR. Holds the ball. Number 51 Batak. Natapikan na naman. Chance to add the lead. Number 44. Drives straight to the basket. Pinabitin. And here's Team NCR. 3-on-1. Traveling. And Region 4A up by 3. Sa 3 ulit. Won't go. And the rebound number 1, Atiga. Nagmamadali. Crossover lumusot. And down to 1 yung kalamangan mga idol. Number 12 here. Shot clock running down to 12. Oy! Good. Muntik na doon mga idol. And number 44 to number 15. Pass to number 11. Umatras. Sumalid. Umatake. Natapikan para sa likod. Oops. And 2 on the free throw line. First throw, bucket, tie game. And second on the free throw for the lead. Lead the game by 1. Atiga. And 48 seconds left on the final quarter. And here's Region 4A setting the play. Number 48. Pass to... Oh, mahagawan pa for the another one. Atiga again. Up by 3. Leon for the inbound. Corner pass. Long 3. No good. Rebound mapupunta sa Region 4A. Number 15 here. Oops. Na traveling. And 20 seconds left on the final quarter. Foul. And it's a blue ball. Corner. Trey. Bang! Down to 1! And foul again. Atiga, first throw. Bucket. Atiga, second throw attempt. Bucket. 7 seconds on the shot clock. Pinasa pabalik, number 15. Fires on 3 for the tie. No good. Uy! Congratulations! NCR North!